Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get hundreds of subscribers to your OnlyFans from TikTok Lives. Now, why this strategy works right now? Well, if you're struggling to get traction on OF, posting daily, no subs, no sales, this is for you. Forget viral videos or waiting for months to grow. You need real-time attention, and TikTok Lives is the fastest way to get it. We've used this method to bring in hundreds of fans a day and scaled a brand new model to 2,500 in 2 months. Now, why TikTok Lives is your shortcut to paying subs? Well, TikTok Lives puts you indirectly in front of real viewers, no passive traffic, people are watching you live and subscribing. No fancy edits, no denting, just go live and you're getting new subscribers every day. And this method helps you get your model seen, followed and subscribed from day one. Now, the setup is quite fast. All you need is a TikTok account with 1,000 followers and a US SIM card. You don't need to activate it, just insert it. Now, TikTok will push your live stream to US viewers, getting you high paying subs. Age TikTok accounts with 1K US followers are a huge shortcut if you don't want to wait for months to grow, because you can go live unless you have 1,000 followers. You can DM me if you want to get aged accounts with followers to get started faster. Now, when to go live for max conversions? The optimal time is between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. US time. Why? People are relaxing after work, more likely to follow and check the IG. Many will visit your OF right after the stream, since after work they usually check in IG, TikTok, all of the social media. This is the sweet spot where subs start rolling in consistently. As for outfit rules, TikTok is quite strict. Here's what works. Stay on brand, gym gear if you're a gym girl, fitted outfits, some cleavage, tight leggings. Avoid nudity or borderline content, keep the account safe. Subtle sex appeal is better than pushing limits, let them subscribe for more. Now, what to do on the live? No need for a full setup or big plans, just some good lighting, a clear camera angle, and be personable. Some IDs: rate followers' profiles, take songs, get ready with me, chat and answer questions. You can do this while you're live, tell the model to do it. The end goal is to engage and move them off TikTok into the OF page. Now, after that, you funnel them from TikTok to IG and into OnlyFans. You can't link OF directly on TikTok, so use this flow. As for live stream description, you put in follow me and check out my Instagram at tag model name, add your tag to your TikTok bio for easy access, post Instagram stories that direct fans to your OF. This simple funnel turns viewers into paying subs quickly. Want to start getting subs today? Most creators waste time building to 1K followers before they go live. Meanwhile, others are live tonight, pulling in hundreds of fans daily. Age TikTok accounts with US followers make this possible, a huge shortcut. Join the free Discord and DM me if you need an age TikTok to get started.